go. 3, 2, 1.
I've been seeing the Marine Corps move forward this past year of getting into the field of tech. They are pushing now more tech being swarm technology, different UAS systems that we have here. Those are all a benefit to the Marine Corps, and I say that they're only going to be used once the Marine Corps understands how to integrate all these systems together. They're going to be much, much more capable. The 6 Marines that we have as students are absolutely outstanding. These guys are motivated, they're very intelligent, and they're willing to learn. So I can't be any more pleased with how this week has been going so far.